Hello and welcome to section 4 of the course. In the previous sections we imported and transformed numerous data. In this section we would learn how to export data in various formats, then we would learn how to export raster data from R, and finally how to create GeoJSON and KML files to be used in web GIS platforms. Welcome to the video on exporting data in tables. In this video we're going to look at how to export them in various formats. We will start with exporting data frames into CSV or text files. Open Activity 4.1 in RStudio. In this example we'll work once again with the earthquake data provided by the USGS. I included the full code to download these data directly from their website. You can refer to video 1.1 for more information about these first lines of code. Once the data have been imported correctly, we can create a new column with the time information in POSIX CT format. Again, I covered this conversion in video 2.5, so if you have any doubts about what we are doing exactly on line 23 of the script, please refer to that video. Once we have a column with date-time information, we can use it to subset our data at will and extract only certain observations. In this case, we are extracting only seismic events that occurred from 10 AM to 1 PM, from any day or month. Subsetting of a data frame based on timestamps is something that I showed you in video 2.5 as well. Thus, if you do not completely understand this code, please refer to that video. Moreover, please remember that these data are live, meaning that the data you downloaded when you did this experiment are different from the data I used when I recorded this video course. This line should still work unchanged, since we are extracting several hours from any day or month. However, if it does not, please refer to video 2.5 to extract different timeframes. Now we have a new object which we named earthquake.midday that contains only the seismic events from a certain time range. Now we need to find a way to save this new object we created in a way that we can access it later on and keep working on it or simply pass it to a colleague. The most common formats to save data frame are tables. The first line uses the function writeTable to save our object into a standard CSV file. For standard we mean that the columns are separated by a single comma. This function takes several arguments, the first being the object we want to export, in this case earthquake.midday. Then we need to specify the file name, with extension, that we want to create. Other important options include the separation symbol, which in case of a CSV is a comma, and then whether we want row names and column names written in the file. I opted for just the second, but you can play around with the function and check the results. The same exact function and the very similar syntax can be used to save data in text files. For this we just need to change the extension of the file to save, and maybe the separation symbol. Here I used a single white space to separate between columns. In this video we learned how to save our results in tables, such as CSV and text files.